Hey you guys, good morning, good afternoon. So I was up last night. I was amped. I was working out and I took a swim and I had all this energy and I went to make myself something to eat. I was boiling 2 ears of corn, some pasta. I was gonna throw some shrimp in there, some onions. I was probably gonna make plantains. I was so hungry because I swim so much now because it's cool out there. I'm gonna say it. I know you can't, but so so I go in my bathroom or whatever the case may be. I come back out into the kitchen and the food is off and I'm like, oh my god, what's going on? And I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Dominican Republic and I'm sure many other countries, but they use propane. So I'm like, oh my god, okay, why is it off? Out of propane. So now we get to go venture out and get something to eat. I just woke up. Well, no, I did not just wake up. I've been up for a while. Yeah, so we're gonna go. We're gonna get something to eat. I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm gonna put some clothes on. Then we're gonna go get something to eat. I'm gonna come back and hop in the pool because it's hot. Thought you were the one, but I just don't know. Cry yourself a river if I don't answer when you tap. Need a little time to myself. Okay, you guys. So I kind of got some directions to this place called Dahlia's. I don't know if I'm gonna go there, but I'm just gonna walk. And then once I see something that seems good, we're gonna eat. Just thought that I would kind of show you beautiful surroundings. So the battery on my camera is dying, but I couldn't help but to stop and get this landscape. It's hard to be outside, like niggas, oh my god, no. But I never thought somebody could do me like this. Is it fine if I'm doing just fine? I got a feeling if the phone dings, the text might say your name. And if you call me and the phone rings, I'd say I think you doubt me by mistake. I'm like, oh my, lately I've been looking for some peace of mind. The sun is setting low outside. I don't wanna wait till the lights go blind. I'm struggling to find some peace, some peace, some peace of mind. I'm looking for some peace, some peace, some peace, some peace of mind. This juice is so good. The last place I went to, I had to get my own menu. I sat down, I looked at the menu, nobody came to help me. Oh, it's cool, it's no big deal. I know that, you know, cultures like this, sometimes people are very relaxed, and then also this is a culture that, you know, has had its past struggles, so maybe they was like, oh, she's just some Haitian girl, which is really sad. But I mean, you make the best of everything and you just mind your business. At least I do. Like, I just got up and walked out. No big deal. No love. Gained or lost or whatever. Mind my business, you know. This juice is banging. I need to save it for my hamburger now. I got all my little Amazon Balenciagas. After this, I think I'm gonna walk to the beach, wait for my hamburger and my fries again. I'm good. Hungry. So this is the burger. I think this is about $7. Looks decent, looks good, honey. I'm about to eat it. Tell you that much. Okay, so lunch was good, but as soon as I stepped out of the restaurant where I spent $15 for the food and drink, there is a place that has local, like, home cooked Dominican food for so cheap. And I'm so disappointed. And I don't really know where I'm going right now. I'm following some girls. That sounds so weird. I don't know if they're gonna let me in, but let's see. Because a lot of these communities are gated and they won't let you in if you don't know anybody. I wish I was walking closer with those girls. Shit. Okay, that was interesting. So I kind of just walked past them. Oh, there goes a liquor store. Oh, it's liquor. Oh, it's liquor. And I have no idea where I am, so I don't really know how I'm gonna get to where I'm going. And I can't believe I just decided to follow some girls. I actually need to stop in there. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know. ¿Dónde es la playa? I smell it. I can't believe I found this all by myself. I should have grabbed some beer. Oh my God, you guys. I literally don't know if I'm supposed to be here. Let's find out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Oh my God, I'm dying. But I never thought somebody could do me like this. Is it fine if I'm doing just fine? I got a feeling if the phone dings, the text might say your name. And if you call me in the... Oh, this is where I was that one time. Was it? I don't know. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I literally walked and like smelled my way here. Unreal. To be honest, this is why I really like solo travel, because if I would have been with somebody else, it would have been like, no, let's go here, let's go there, maybe we should do this, maybe we should do that. But when you trust your own intuition and you're traveling by yourself, baby, you can do whatever you want. Oh my God, it's so nice. Unreal. Peace of mind. The sun is setting low outside. I don't wanna wait till the lights go blind. I'm struggling to find some peace of mind. I'm looking for some peace of mind. Oh my God. So I'm just getting home. I found the beach. I was on the beach for hours. My phone died, my camera died. It was nothing you said. I felt something different about the way you moved. It's done.